In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use quick parts in Microsoft Word as a way to reuse commonly used content efficiently in your documents. If you're someone who frequently repeats elements like a signature block, company logos, or standard clauses in your documents, quick parts can be a real time saver. Let's walk through this together, step by step. First, you want to start by selecting the content you'd like to save for future use. This could be anything from a neatly formatted signature block, a graphic logo paired with a tagline, or a specific paragraph you find yourself typing again and again. Once you've highlighted this content, you're ready to move to the next step. Now head over to the Insert tab located on the ribbon at the top of your Word window. Click on Quick Parts, and then select Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery from the drop-down menu. This will open up the Create New Building Block dialog, where the magic happens. In this dialog, where you see Name, go ahead and type a descriptive name. You'll want to make it something easy for you to recognize later, so you don't have to scroll through a list guessing which quick part is which. Next, there's the Gallery drop-down. Here, you can choose where you want your saved item to appear, whether it's quick parts, headers, footers, or even text boxes. This selection will help you organize your reusable content more effectively. As you move down the dialog, you'll find an option for Category. Use existing categories to sort your quick parts or create new ones for better organization. Categories can be a real lifesaver as you accumulate more and more building blocks over time. Next is the Save In field. You'll need to specify a template, like the default normal.tm or any custom templates you've set up. The choice of template determines where your quick part will be accessible. If the template is used in other documents, your saved block will be available there too, enhancing your workflow across various projects. Finally, once all these fields are filled out, just click OK to save your new quick part. It's now accessible and ready for you to use whenever you need it. When it's time to insert your saved quick part into a document, place your cursor at the spot where you want the content to appear. Head back to the Insert tab, select Quick Parts, and from the list, simply click on the pre-saved block you've just created. It will appear in your document instantly, exactly as you formatted it originally. And there you have it. With quick parts, adding repetitive content is faster and more efficient, freeing up your time for more creative aspects of document creation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.